Hello, hi, welcome to this video. This is Arvind here. First of all, wishing you a very happy new year. Have a wonderful year ahead. And thanks for being part of my family and Freedom Traders. So let's look at the market view and trade setup for the first week of Jan. Last week I was not active. I took a break because the volumes were very thin. So it's good to start fresh year. So as you can see in the Nifty chart, this trend line, which is now very popular, most people are aware of this trend line, right? This from the highs of 18,600, right? We have, right, which is around 70,300. You can see here, close above that, and also the pivot line is also being breached, right? So this is a sign of positive, sign of strength. And one more thing is the Nifty channel, ascending channel is from here it's starting to rise. So there's a good chance it will try to test the upper end of the range of the channel, which is around 70,600, which is the previous supply zone. You can see here. So any kind of up move might get stalled here. I think 7,600 is possible. So I would trade on the long side. Any kind of dip I would use as a buying opportunity, and my stop is at 17,000. Say 160, 170. That's a 20-day moving average. So as long as this is protected on a closing basis, so I will stay on the positive side, only below 20 DMA, which is around 7,166, 165 zones. So if we breach this on a closing basis, then we might start to correct again. And if this is breached, we will start correcting to the lower end of the band. So as of now, I'm staying bullish unless this is breached. So there's a good chance it will retest this 17,600 zones. So risk to reward is also unfavorable on the long side, right? 250 to 300 points upside is possible in Nifty. But on a positional basis, if at all Nifty has to reverse the whole trend, the whole correction is over and to start going up again, it has to close above 17,600, which is also the outer range of Bollinger Band, right? So this will be a very crucial supply zone to cross on a positional basis. But in the short term, like swing or positional trade, or for swing trade, I think this is a good trade to go on the long side for the next week alone. So the range for next week is 17,150 to 17,600. That's the trade on the long side. Looking at the Bank Nifty, you can see here, Bank Nifty has not yet crossed this trend line resistance zone. It is at a very crucial juncture where you can see 200 DMA plus the 20 DMA plus this trend line resistance is coming, all converging at the same spot, which is around 35,700 to 36,000. So this will be a very crucial juncture. Fresh upside only if this is crossed on a closing basis, where it can start moving higher towards 37,000, right? But until this is crossed, this is not going to be easy to cross because multiple supply zones are here. So it might even start to fall again. The trend line resistance is right here. So just be cautious on Bank Nifty, even though it's extremely oversold. It might be a good idea to again trade the long side, but I would personally suggest to wait for these levels to cross about 35,900. I would be a comfortable buyer in Bank Nifty. As of now, I would preferably shift to only Nifty and avoid the Bank Nifty. Right, that's my view on the market for next week. Buy on dips is my approach. And as of now, I don't have much data points to discuss. Probably next week's video, I will discuss more on this. If you'd like to join my support services, you can also email or WhatsApp me. The links are given in the description. So let's stay connected. Thanks for watching and have a great day and year ahead. Bye-bye.